Ready to move your USDT between exchanges? Let's get your USDT from Goteo to Bybit in a few simple steps. First, head over to your Bybit account and navigate to the Assets section, usually found in the top right corner. Then, click on Deposit. Search for USDT in the coin selection box and click on it to proceed. You'll now see a network selection box. This is a crucial step. Be extremely careful which network you choose, as selecting the wrong one could lead to permanent loss of funds. Popular options include ERC20, TRC20, and BEP20. TRC20 is often favored for its lower fees. Tap to reveal your deposit address generated for the network. Copy it to your clipboard. Great! Now log into your Goteo account and find the Wallet section. Then click on Withdraw. Enter USDT in the coin selection box. Next, paste the Bybit USDT deposit address you copied earlier into the address or destination field again. Very carefully select the same network you chose on Bybit. TRC20 in our example, input the amount of USDT you wish to transfer. Double-check all the details, especially the address and the network. Pay close attention to the withdrawal fee displayed and confirm you are happy with its network transfer fee. Initiate the withdrawal. You may need to submit two-factor authentication codes as well. The transfer time varies depending on the network congestion, but typically takes a few minutes to an hour. You can monitor its progress within the transaction history on both Goteo and Bybit. Once confirmed on the blockchain, your USDT will appear in your Bybit wallet.